I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. You focus on the build, we'll focus on the books.
Watch this video to learn how to send customer statements in Xero to help keep customer debts low and improve your cash flow. Click Sales, then select Invoices. Click the Send Statements button. Use the handy "What's this?" link to learn more about sending statements from Xero. Click the Statement Type drop-down to choose to send an activity or outstanding statement. First, we'll select Activity. Type in the date fields, or use the calendar pickers to set the date range to run the statement. In this example, we'll set the 1st of April 2025 to the 31st of July 2025. Click Update to see a refreshed list of customers with activity falling within the chosen dates. Use the checkboxes to select the customers you want to send activity statements to. Then, click Print or Email to generate the statements. If you choose to print the statements, Xero asks you to choose the branding theme to apply to them. Click OK to generate a single PDF file for all the customer activity statements. Here's an example of a customer activity statement. You'll see all the transactions with the customer for the set date range. Download the PDF, then print the statements to share them with the customers. If you want to share them electronically, you'll need to split the PDF for each customer or send them directly from Xero. Let's click Email to send the customer statements from Xero. Check the customer email details are correct. You can add multiple addresses in the email field, making sure you separate them with a comma or a semicolon. Confirm the branding theme, email template, subject, and message details. You can edit any of these details by clicking the relevant fields and updating the information. Select the Send Me a Copy checkbox if you want Xero to send a copy of the statement to you for your records. When you're ready, click Send. Now let's look at Outstanding Statements. Choose Outstanding from the Statement Type drop-down. Then type in the Date field or use the calendar picker to set the date you want to show outstanding customer balances. In this example, we'll enter the 31st of July 2025. Click Update to see a refreshed list of customers with unpaid balances at the chosen date. Use the checkboxes to select the customers you want to send statements to. You can print or email the statements as we saw earlier in the video. Here's an example of an outstanding statement showing the unpaid invoices, any part payments made, and the total balance due. Customers can click the invoice links to view the online invoice and make payment if you've got payment services connected. Send statements to your customers regularly to help keep a healthy cash flow